Hey now, it's Marquee Las Vegas, Marquee New York, Marquee Worldwide, and believe it or not, TGIF, thank God it's Friday and I'm gonna be in the Fortress. And I hope you would join me there. I try to do these motivational, inspirational videos each day, and I have to tell you, yesterday was just not one of those days. Too much news, too much stuff going on, and it's time that we just grab that thing and choke it by the neck. Woo, it could just get you boiling. And I hope that you are not and have not been infiltrated so that it throws your life and your day off. I do understand being proactive, and yes, I want to get out there and I want to say something to these people because it's wrong. It is not right in no means, and I do not want to belittle it or make it seem like it's just minute. It's not. But we cannot fuel this fire by continuing to post stories from years ago. We need to deal with what's happening exactly today, keep our heads on straight, and not allow ourselves to be pushed into acting out in the wrong way. We need to mobilize, come together, organize, and attack this thing head on and straight on with clarity, with wisdom and knowledge. Okay, with all things, wisdom and understanding. We know that there has been many years of just horrific, heinous crimes against Black people, African American people, people of color. So if we want to make a positive change, let's organize, let's attack it with clarity and knowledge and wisdom, so that for once and for all, we can get this thing truly behind us. I don't want to limit this. It's a huge subject. Much needs to be said and much needs to be done. It's Friday. I want to encourage you. This too shall pass. We are going to make it. We've been making it this long. We're not going to fold at this point. Just not going to happen. So have a blessed and wonderful day. It's Marquee Las Vegas, Marquee New York, Marquee Worldwide. Ciao for now.